Hello, Boo Sugars. Welcome to my channel. I'm Amber. If you're new here, welcome for the first time. If you're already a member of the family, welcome back. It's good to see you. Y'all, I'm sorry. I have been hella inconsistent. I've been trying to get my mind right. Like, I ain't gonna even lie to you. I've really been trying to get my mind right. 2021 has been draining my energy. I don't know if it's just me. I don't know if it's post-2020 fatigue, if there's such a thing. But I'm just tired. Like, I'm like physically and mentally drained. And I think with me being locked in the house all the time, it's starting to get the best of me. So Rona is really testing my mental health. So if you have any friends who are extroverted like myself, please check on them because we are not fucking okay. Now, I am gonna get straight to the review. As y'all seen on the thumbnail, I'm gonna be reviewing the new paint pot collection. I do not have all of them. I did not need all of them. So I'm going to review the ones that I do have. I am currently wearing one on my eyes right now. And I love her. I haven't experienced any creasing or any caking upon wearing the product. I've had it on for 18 hours. And I'm sleepy as hell because I've been up for 18 hours. So, yeah, let's just get to this. Now, the first color that I have today is called Most Definitely. Most Definitely is a deep shimmer tone green. It is definitely a mossy green with a little gold. It is a green with gold shimmer, and I actually have it on my eyes. Probably can't really tell because that part has worn down a little bit, but I did use it as an eyeliner. And I'm gonna swatch it right here on my arm. And this is Most Definitely a very pretty green, and it gives pretty opaque swatches. You can see the shimmer in there, and the shimmer does show up on the lid. And I'll tell you this, if you like the Pearl Glide pencils that they made several years ago and discontinued in the color Undercurrant, you will absolutely love this. Now, what I can say, upon wearing this on the lid as an eyeshadow, it makes a wonderful eyeshadow. However, not the best eyeshadow base because the paint pot is very versatile. You can use it as an eyeshadow and you can use it as a base. Because there's texture in the formula, putting an eyeshadow on top, unless you're using like a glitter or a shimmer eyeshadow, a matte eyeshadow or a satin eyeshadow would not really suit this very well. It's only going to make it really patchy. And even though it swatches well on a hand, the shimmer ones don't apply as even as some of the matte formulas do. But this one is called Most Definitely. Very pretty color. If you don't have a green like this, it's worth picking it up and adding it to your collection. Now, this one I was probably the most excited about. This one is called Born to Beam. It is a beautiful yellow gold. I mean, look at that. It literally reflects the light. I haven't used this one yet. I was gonna wear her today, but I was like, I don't want to look like a bottle of Heinz mustard, because they got on too much color. So this one is a very beautiful color here. I mean, it's just, even on camera, how it has like that gold shimmer, that bright, brilliant gold. It's just like that in person. And I'm gonna swatch right here, and it is beautiful. And one thing I can say about this Born to Beam in comparison to Most Definitely, the formula is the same in a sense where they are both like a shimmer tone eyeshadow or shimmer tone paint pot. But as you can see, this one swatches a lot better, and it's also way more even than the green. You see, the green is very patchy. This one is more even. I mean, you don't have the patches. It doesn't skip like the green one does. I can't wait to wear this one. I'm probably just gonna wear this one by itself. However, if you do want to make this one pop, you can top it off with Gold Mine Frost Eyeshadow by MAC, Amber Lights, or Auger d'Art, I think I'm saying that right, Dazzle Shadow by MAC. To top this off with those would be beautiful. So that is called Born to Beam. This was the one that I just had to have like in my collection. The other ones, I didn't really give a shit, honey. It was this one, honey. It was her all the time, boo sugar. Now this next color, this is a re-promote, but I bought it because I'm an idiot. Because I'm actually like on a no buy, but I couldn't let these pass up. Talk about discipline, right? But I bought this one because I always wanted to get my hands on this one. This one's called Clearwater. It is a flat robin egg blue. I can't wait to do spring eye looks with these. I love the blues, turquoises, things like that. And when I first started working at MAC, this was one of their permanent paint pots. And I love this color, but at the time I didn't really have the money to buy it. But I'm glad that they did bring this one back, and that is Clearwater. It is a pretty robin egg blue. I kind of pressed too hard. And the thing I like about this one, even though it's a pastel, it still shows up as a true blue on deeper skin tones. I love this color. I've used this several times in makeovers and on clients of like all shades, and it really pops quite nicely. And you can use this as a base for any like sky blue, baby blue, or any type of blue or purple eyeshadows. This looks amazing underneath. So I'm really excited that I finally got a chance to get Clearwater all to myself. So yes, if you don't have her already, she is a part of this new collection. Now this fourth one, I was also very excited about her. This one is a Currant affair. Amazing, right? Amazing. And this is a flat burgundy, and it's probably hard to see on camera. It gives me some purpley vibes in there. And what I like about this one is it almost looks like a lipstick, because I literally use some matte formula lipsticks as a eyeliner or eyeshadow, and now I don't use the ones that I use on my mouth. I use like lipsticks as a base. But look at how opaque that is. This is ideal. I'm dropping stuff, whatever. This is ideal for a rich burgundy or berry tone smoky eye. This will look amazing in the fall. And you can use a paint pot as a base on the lips. So if you want like your purples, if you have like purples that skip on the lip, they're not as opaque, you can use this as a base on the lips, and you can go over it with your lip liner and your lipstick, and I promise you, you will have the baddest lips ever. So that's a makeup artist secret, okay? I use Painterly on like my fair tone women who have like pink undertones. I use Painterly. Fair tone, yellow bone. Fair tone women with like more of a yellow or golden undertone, I use soft ochre or laying low. And my deeper tone women, I use Groundwork paint pots as a lip base, and that helps the product stay on the lips a lot longer. The lipstick, it kind of like mutes the lip out, so any color that they may have that doesn't pop, the paint pot does help that. And also, paint pots are ideal for covering up tattoos. So if you ever have a function you need to go to and you want to cover up your tattoo, and you want something that's not gonna sweat and run or smudge or move and last all night, a paint pot is definitely the way to go. Now, back to this because I went on my spiel. But yes, this is a Currant affair, and she's amazing. Now, the swatch is not very even, but I don't know if that's because of the way I swatched that one, because I did swatch kind of fast. So let me try it again. I'm just gonna put some more on my hand and swatch it. So, yep. And I mean, so yeah, I swatched it twice just to kind of be a little more fair with it. But this is a beautiful color and a must have, especially for deeper skin tones. And because I love mustard colors, but I don't eat mustard, I just love mustard and golden tone colors. I mean, look at me. I look like a damn highlighter. My hair looks like ramen noodles. I love me some yellow and golden beige ho. So right now, we got this Contemplative State. She matched my outfit too. Another one that I just had to have. I mean, look at this. This is amazing. This also has like a matte finish. Now this was a little more difficult to kind of pick up. I don't know if it's just this particular color, but it was kind of hard to pick up. But she is beautiful. Look at that. Now, because I'm so golden, this almost blends right in with my skin tone. So I'm gonna put a little more on top of that just so we can kind of get a better color payoff. There she is. Now, this is beautiful. I'm excited about this one in particular because MAC, when they took away a lot of paint pots, they did a tremendous disservice, especially to women who have darker skin tones. Groundwork did not work for everybody. But this one here, I feel that this one is gonna work, especially as an all over eyeshadow on a lazy day when you don't feel like doing extra work. Just put her all over and blend her out with a little 224 blending brush towards the brows or whatever. And this is just a perfect muted out, warm, golden brown. So this is really, really nice. And because this is a matte formula, this would be ideal to layer with any other eyeshadows. You could use a shimmer eyeshadow or a matte eyeshadow, or like I mentioned a few seconds ago, you can wear her by herself. So if you contemplating on getting this, stop contemplating, get out of that contemplative state and buy this joint. Yeah, she real cute. Okay, all right, getting carried away. Now my final one, because I'm basic and because the president is getting impeached, and because I love peach cobbler, and because I like to visit Georgia every now and then, and I have a toy poodle named, well, she's my sister dog. I bought the dog for my sister, but she was a family dog. I have a toy, we have a toy poodle named Georgia Peach. Anything with the word peach in it, no matter how good or terrible it is, I'm here for it. So I had to get this one. This is called Art-Thera-peachy. So it was supposed to be art therapy. It's like a pun, play on words, Art-Thera-peachy. I'm here for it, okay? And I love peaches. And that's what I got on my eye today, right now. And she has been holding on, staying strong for 18 hours, 15 minutes, and 33 seconds. B. I'm having too much fucking fun. Okay, now this one, I'm in love with her. I'm in love with her. Now, when I first got this, I was expecting it to be more peach. I was like expecting like a whole can of juicy peaches and clean syrup, you know, but I'm not disappointed. So this is how she look on my fingertip, and this is how she swatches. See that? She's like a true peach. She's a true peach. And I'm gonna turn it this way. Oh, see, when I turn it that way, you get a better idea. Ooh, see, it's not. Ooh, okay. So this is Art-Thera-peachy. She's everything. And see, I have her on with Braun eyeshadow. It's like Braun is like this matte brown. So I have it on with Braun, and I have Bamboo on, and I have on the brush black eyeliner. Very, very quick and easy to do. I usually don't use these as an all over eyeshadow base. I usually don't. I usually do like my little concealer and then go down on the little lid part with the paint pot. But I was just so taken by this color. I use this all over as a eyeshadow base, and I'm not mad about it at all, okay? Not mad. And like I said, it doesn't crease. It would crease right there, but I mean, I've had it on for like all day, but it's not bad, you know? It's not bad at all. And being the fact that I am like a medium dark brown girl, you know, my foundation shade for reference is like an NC 44 right now. So it showed up. It's very hard to get a peach that shows up on black folk, and this one did the trick. So if you're looking for a peach paint pot, definitely need to have her. This is not like Painterly. This is not like Soft Ochre. This is not like Laying Low. Because at first I was concerned that it was going to be like that, but it's not. So yeah, I got her and I love her. Now, there was several other colors that they launched that I liked, but I didn't necessarily love. However, there are 3 of them that I do want. I want the Fabstract, which is like a deep, beautiful, muted out brown. It kind of looks like chocolate. I want her. I want Princess Cut. And I also want Taylor Gray. And I want 4 because I want Babe and Charms as well. I didn't get Taylor Cut. I wasn't really in a rush because that's another one that's a re-promote. And I swear up and down, I have a Taylor Cut here somewhere. I don't know where it is, but I've had her before. I just hope she's not dried out, so I may just get another one to replace the one I can't seem to find with my blind ass. So I'm not really in a rush to get Taylor Gray. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about anymore. It's too much. But that is it. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. Thank you for watching this review. If y'all had any questions, let me know. You know where to drop them off in the comment box. I love the formula. I'm fine. Like, I'm excited. I'm proud of MAC because I'm gonna be real with y'all. I love the Powder Kiss. Powder Kisses are bae. Powder Kiss eyeshadows are bae. But I'm happy that they're releasing more and more eye products because we wearing masks right now. And I mean, lip products are wonderful, but we can't see this shit right now. It's all about the eyes. And what better of MAC than to release a cult favorite product that people swear by in new colors? They were lazy and put a few re-promotes in there, but they were re-promotes that I appreciate. So good job, MAC. Y'all did that. But anyway, I love you, Boo Sugars. Make sure you come back and see me, like, subscribe, share, if you care. Hit the notification bell. Come a part of the gang. Gang. Y'all stay safe. Stay warm. And stay sexy. Not sexy, sexy. Alright, love y'all, Boo Sugars. Bye.